The US housing market is slumping. Sales are falling. The world's basically ending in the United States, right? I mean, China's up, but that's because they removed the capital gains tax. Those headlines can be pretty darn scary, especially if you are a homeowner that's looking to buy. But what about Boise? What about if you're looking to buy in Boise or sell in Boise? Are we safe? And the short answer is yes, as we know for now. Boise housing market averages versus the national averages are actually quite different. Boise boasts a stronger average real estate market than the whole nation as an average. Nationally, home prices dipped about 2 to 5% from their peak, and home sales have slowed down about 10 to 15% from last year's crazy frenzy. And that's a correction after a decade-long boom. Interest rates are still higher than people would expect or want, or what they're used to, which impacts not only affordability, but people wanting to purchase a home. And in Boise, we've also seen a little bit of a slowdown, but it's much less dramatic, if 10 to 15% is even dramatic. The number of homes sold in the last 12 months compared to the previous 12 months is about a 12% decrease, which is in Ada County in March 2023 and 12 months prior, there were about 5,800 homes that were sold. And as of March 2024, 12 months prior, during that 12-month period, there are about 166 homes that have been sold. And with those same numbers over the last 12 months compared to the previous 12 months, our average home prices are actually up 0.6%. It is a good market. Boise's still a good market to be in. Boise has strong job growth, and people keep moving here from everywhere, from Washington, Oregon, California, which keeps the demand really high. But the big question is, can and will Boise stay immune forever? Will the Boise averages be above the national average forever? And that depends. There are a lot of uncertainties. As of 2024, there are 3 uncertainties, and that's the election. A lot of people during the election hold their breath and wait because they don't really know what's going to happen. The second uncertainty is interest rates. We don't really know if interest rates are going to stay high, if they're going to go low, and if they're going to go low, people are going to buy. And if they stay high, people's expectations need to change. And the third uncertainty is the NAR settlement lawsuit. If you are familiar with that, if you've been familiar with the lawsuit, the $418 million lawsuit, that is going to shake up the real estate industry. It's going to change some things. It's going to change the market just a little bit. And we don't really know exactly how much. That's why it's an uncertainty, like the election or like interest rates. So should you buy or sell right now? If you're looking for the short term, if you're looking for the next 2 years, maybe you should hold your breath and wait. But if you're thinking of real estate as a long-term investment or something that you want to be in a home for 10 years, real estate is historically a strong investment choice. And you need a roof over your head, especially if you're thinking of renting versus buying. Buying is usually, depending on the situation, if you can afford it comfortably, buying would be a great choice. The US is correcting, and Boise is still steady. Uncertainty is definitely the word of the year. Don't panic from national headlines. Get hyper-local data so that you feel comfortable with not only the area that you're in, but that you're thinking of purchasing in. And if you want that hyper-local information, if you want to get regular updates on the current market, my contact information is down below. And you can also click the link down below, and I have a form where you can fill out your information and I'll get in touch with you. Because whether it's in 2 months, 2 years, or 2 days, I would love to be a real estate agent of choice. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video for some more no-nonsense real estate content. Bye.